We'll use the rules for order of operations in this exercise. We have the expression 3/8 squared divided by 6/7 times 2/9 divided by -5. And we're going to start by seeing if there are any computations that we need to do inside grouping symbols. And in this expression, there are none. So we'll move to the next step in the order of operations, which is to evaluate exponential expressions. And we do have this one exponential expression here. 3/8 squared is 3/8 times 3/8, or 9/64. And then we still have this divided by 6/7 times 2/9 divided by -5. Now, I'm going to do the divisions and multiplications in order from left to right next, which is what the rules for order of operations tell us to do. And so first I have 9/64 divided by 6/7. And to do that division, I'm going to multiply 9/64 by the reciprocal of 6/7. So I'm going to have 9/64 times 7/6 times 2/9 divided by -5. And now I'm going to carry out this multiplication by multiplying numerators and multiplying denominators. And then we have that times 2/9 and divided by -5. The next thing I have in order is this multiplication. So again, I'm going to multiply numerators and multiply denominators. And we still have divided by -5 out here. And now we can do this last division. When I divide by -5, I write it as multiplying by the reciprocal of -5. So I can write this as 9 times 7 times 2 over 64 times 6 times 9 times -1/5. And now doing that multiplication, I have a positive number times a negative number, which is going to give me a negative product. And when I multiply the numerators, I have 9 times 7 times 2 times 1 over 64 times 6 times 9 times 5. And now I've done the operations. I need to see if I can simplify this expression at all. I see a pair of 9s here, and I see that I have a 2 here, and 64 and 6 each have a factor of 2. So I can factor one of those with a factor of 2. Let's just rewrite the numerator. And I'm going to keep 64, and I'm going to write 6 as 2 times 3. And then I have 9 times 5. And now I can pull out a 9 and a 2 from the numerator and also from the denominator. So I can write this as 9 times 2 over 9 times 2 times the opposite of 7 times 1. And in the denominator, I have left a 64 and a 3 and a 5. And 9 times 2 over 9 times 2 is 1. So what I have left is this expression. And when I multiply out in the numerator and denominator, I get -7 over 960 for the final result.